Hello everybody, I show my school. This is my school. Its name is Istenalco. History of the foundation and evolution of the Istenalco. Value, honesty, respect, justice, loyalty, tolerance, responsibility, discipline, or cooperation. Mission, vision, motto, learn to think, learn to live. Objective, some picture about my school. Location is located in Barranquilla. Relevant information. The school has agreement with the SENA and other institutions. The school has a cafeteria for the student and community, but at the moment is closed because the pandemic. Recreation activity. Important information before and after of pandemic. The student helping to paint the front wall of the school before the pandemic. They enjoy the class in the classroom. They receive the class in the platform. My advanced teacher profile. Her name is Rosa Fonseca. What I teach. Lesson plan. My first activity were my teacher. My teaching profile in Spanish and in English. If you have more information about my blog, you visit. This is my school. Thank you.